Data collection in clinical trials. Welcome back, everyone. We have already touched on the importance of data in clinical trials, and now it's time to delve deeper into the actual process of data collection. Today, we will be talking about source data, case report forms, and electronic data capture systems. Source data in clinical trials. Source data refers to all the original records of findings, observations, or other elements that are pertinent to the study. These might include laboratory test results, medical records, and even notes from the patient's doctor. It's the raw data that provides the foundation for further analysis. Case report forms, CRFs. One key tool for data collection in clinical trials is a case report form, or CRF. This is a document that's used to collect the data specified in the study protocol in a systematic and standardized manner. It could include information like demographic data, medical history, study-specific data, and more. These forms help ensure that data from different sources and participants can be easily compared and analyzed. Electronic data capture, EDC Systems. Increasingly, clinical trials are moving away from paper CRFs to electronic data capture systems. EDCs are web-based applications that allow data to be entered directly into electronic systems. They improve the speed and accuracy of data collection and make the process of data validation and cleaning much easier. They can also incorporate features like alerts for missing or inconsistent data, making them a powerful tool in clinical data management. Importance of accurate data collection. Regardless of the specific methods used, the accuracy of data collection is absolutely critical. Inaccurate data can lead to incorrect conclusions and have serious implications for patient safety and treatment efficacy. This is why clinical data managers and the processes they oversee are so vital to the success of clinical trials. So, that's an overview of data collection in clinical trials. It's a complex process, but with the right tools and management, it's what enables us to turn raw information into meaningful insights that can shape the future of healthcare. In our next video, we will dive into the topic of data standards in clinical data management, so be sure to tune in.